Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I was introduced to woodworking by my father. He's always been a hands-on type of guy. He can build many things. He built a wood railing for my patio that was quite impressive. There are many benefits to woodworking. It is a stress reliever, it can save money, and it's a way to ensure that it's a high quality product. An example that comes to mind is a doghouse I recently built. It took about 2 weeks to build since my time is constricted. I would spend approximately 2 hours a day on the days that I was able to work on it. It was an excellent stress reliever. It's the type of activity that requires your full attention. If you don't want to end up with a sawed off finger or toe for that matter. It might have been slightly time consuming, but it saved money. I very easily could have bought a doghouse, gone out to PetSense, purchased a what they call the igloo. It's a plastic doghouse, but it's been my experience that the plastic ones aren't as effective at keeping out the heat or the cold, and they're not exactly inexpensive. By building the house, I was able to purchase high quality materials and design it to my dog's needs. Not only did I get him his house, but I was able to build it myself. There's an enormous sense of accomplishment in building something yourself. Rather than just spending the time uselessly, I was able to be productive and make something beneficial. See, the time spent isn't just labor. It requires planning. I spent about a week researching the best approach. There are many ways to build a doghouse. I decided on a method from WikiHow. It had step-by-step instructions that worked perfectly for a beginner woodworker. You can see discussion 2 for the complete website. I then prepared for the task, got the necessary materials. I spent the 2 weeks on labor. Finally, I followed the instructions of how to finish the wood for outdoor use according to todayshomeowner.com. In discussion 2, the full website is available. Now, Gizmo sleeps well, has a place to hide out during hot days, and a shelter from the cold and the rain. The best part is that every time I look out, I get a sense of satisfaction. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.